Welcome to my channel Gosia At Home Cooking. Today I like to show you how I make this eggplant pizzas. This recipe is so delicious and so quick and perfect dish for the hot summer day. I hope you enjoy. For the eggplant pizza I need, of course, eggplant. I got beautiful eggplant for my friend, tomato, 3 mushrooms, 3 cloves of garlic, salt, Prego sauce, oil, mozzarella cheese and pepperoni. I slice eggplant to the slices I'm looking for. To remove the bitter taste from eggplant, I have to put a little bit salt. Very simple technique. The 10-minute pass and look at this, so much water. This is the bitter taste, we don't need it. Paper towel and just tap. Just remove the excess, this bitter taste, like this. You can use different technique to do this. Next step, I'll put some avocado oil. Baking sheet. Just tap each piece of eggplant with the oil. Now I will bake eggplant in the oven for 10 minutes each side, 350 degrees. Now 10 minutes passed. Next part I will flip eggplant, other side. Just flip. Next step, I use tomato sauce. I use today roasted garlic and herbs for extra flavor. Will be so delicious. This is my family favorite right now recipe. It's so light and so delicious and healthy. Next, I love garlic, so a little bit of garlic on each slice. Next, a slice of tomato, cheese, mozzarella cheese, 1 mushroom, that's 1 slice, pepperoni. If you don't like pepperoni, you don't have to use it. You can use a slice of chicken. But I just 1 slice of pepperoni. Give pizza a little bit kick because pepperoni is pretty spicy. It'll be a very nice addition. I will bake eggplant pizza 350 degrees. The cheese is melt. That will be a very quick process. The eggplant pizza is done. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up. Please like, share and comment and subscribe for more recipe. I make new recipe once a week. Thank you so much for watching and dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego and see you soon. Bye bye.